Learning about Remembrance Day. What is Remembrance Day? Remembrance Day is a special day to remember soldiers and people who have fought for our country in wars. We also think about the importance of peace, how we can live peacefully with others, and what it means to be thankful. When is Remembrance Day? Remembrance Day is on the 11th of November every year. We also hold services and parades to show our respect on the Sunday closest to this date, called Remembrance Sunday. Why the 11th of November? The 11th of November is the day when World War I ended, over 100 years ago, in 1918. This day is called Armistice Day, and marks the moment when the fighting finally stopped. Why do we honor Remembrance Day? We honor Remembrance Day to say thank you and to remember all the people who made sure we could live in peace today. It's important to honor their bravery and the sacrifices that they made for us and future generations. The poppy. The poppy is a symbol that we wear to show that we are remembering the soldiers. Poppies were one of the few flowers that grew in the battlefields after the war, and they remind us of the hope and new life that followed. Different kinds of poppy. Red poppy remembers the soldiers who lost their lives in World War I. Purple poppy remembers animals like horses, dogs and pigeons that were victims of war. Black poppy remembers Black, African, and Caribbean service people and civilians. White poppy remembers all people who have died in wars, focuses on promoting peace. 2-minute silence. On Remembrance Day, at 11 o'clock, we stay very quiet for 2 minutes to show respect and to think about the soldiers. This moment of silence is a peaceful way to remember their bravery and to reflect on the importance of peace. On Remembrance Day, many people gather at war memorials to lay poppy wreaths and to take part in services where they remember the soldiers. Sometimes, the names of those who have died are read out loud so that they are not forgotten. The Cenotaph. The most important Remembrance Day service happens in London at a place called the Cenotaph. This is a large stone monument where many people, including the monarch and other leaders, gather to pay their respects and lay wreaths. By wearing a poppy, observing the 2-minute silence, living peacefully, and learning the history of those who fought for us, we can all commemorate those who have sacrificed their lives for us. Thank you for remembering with us today.